Welcome to our channel. Budget travel doesn't mean sacrificing experiences or fun. Step 1. Set a realistic overall budget and break it down by category. Step 2. Choose affordable destinations where your currency has good value. Step 3. Travel during off-peak seasons for lower prices on flights and accommodations. Step 4. Look for all-inclusive packages that provide good value for multiple services. Step 5. Cook some meals if staying in accommodations with kitchens. Step 6. Use public transportation instead of taxis to save significantly. Step 7. Take advantage of free activities and attractions. Step 8. Book flights and accommodations well in advance for better rates. Step 9. Set up price alerts to catch deals on flights and hotels. Step 10. Use budget airlines for flights while being mindful of extra fees. Step 11. Bring reusable water bottles and snacks to avoid expensive purchases. Step 12. Track spending daily to stay within budget limits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.